You know, creating beautiful hairstyles like this is a lot of fun when you've got a great foundation. Look at this, it's a ponytail at the back. I've taken the sides in it as well. Tie that into a knot to create a back chignon. I'm just showing you a very quick version because, of course, there is a proper version that you can see on my Access Long Hair Members Club. Or can you see there, I've got stylechallenge.app. It's a brand new game that I've designed. You can learn this hairstyle in 4 easy steps. Then, while you're creating that hairstyle, at each step you take a photograph, and that becomes part of your own personal digital portfolio. And then, what you can do if you want to, and this is totally up to you, you can send your digital portfolio to me that I can personally look at it. Once I've looked at it and I can see that you've done everything, I will send you a certificate of completion. And you can create these beautiful looks.